Today we're going to be showing you our basic overview of our easement machine. This machine is going to be used mainly in municipalities when you're trying to access remote cleanouts or sewers. This is an attachment to your big jet truck or flusher truck. It comes standard with a 20 horsepower Honda engine, hydraulic system. You can operate everything from your pendant, which is removable. So you can operate from the side, and every control of the machine is on this pendant. You can extend your tracks out or narrow them. Whenever you are moving, you do want your tracks extended all the way out for more stability. On your reel, you can control the reel in, reel out functions. These do come standard with either a 3/4 inch hose or a 1 inch hose up to 500 feet. You have outriggers that are built in for more stability. So if you're on an uneven surface, you can extend these out. You can lower your jacks and really give this machine some stability. This easement is equipped with the add-on gated hose guide. So if you want, if your hose is already out, you can add it after the fact and put it in and then just shut your gate back. And it is also adjustable height-wise. So you just pull that pin out, you can go down or up, whichever you prefer. And if you're old school and prefer to do it without it, you can pull your handle and move it out of the way to where you can put it on manually. This hose reel does pivot. It does not have a tilt function, but you can pivot it 180 degrees each way. So we'll leave it straight when we're driving. And that is our easement machine in an overview. If you have any additional questions about our easement machine, please reach out to our sales team.